welcome to a Clary Tale, or should I say welcome to a Scary Tale, because it's the Halloween edition. And as you know, last year I called my Halloween Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party vlog, I called that a Scary Tale, because basically someone on the bar that works there permanently jokingly called me a Scary Tale once, and I was like, actually more for you, because that's a great name for my Halloween editions of the vlogs. So I'm going to call that this year. It's going to be a special Halloween party because my mum and dad host this party every year. Obviously last year I couldn't make it, so I'm doubly excited this year for this fun little party. We always do it, I know it's after Halloween now, but it's always sort of between Halloween and Bonfire Night, which is November 5th. So this is the weekend that falls in between those two. So it's going to be a mixture of all the Halloween decorations and then also a bit of firework fun as well. I mean, it's no Epcot illuminations, but it's fun, so I'm really excited to take you along and show you what we do. We always have a barbecue. I'm sure my parents have got that going already, and my dad gets loads of decorations and stuff. So yeah, I'll have to show you all that. We're going in about 20 minutes. I'm just gonna go a bit early. It starts at about 4:30, but it's about 2:30 now, so I'm just gonna go a little bit early so I can help them get prepared and stuff. As you can see, the Dollar Tree lipstick has returned that I had on last year as well. This is my attempt at Halloween, but I do have a witch's hat as well at my mum and dad's that I'm going to put on as well. So yeah, it's not a proper fancy dress party or anything. We just do bits and pieces of fun. So at the party, I probably won't show you directly because there's a lot of family going. Well, not a lot. So it's my dad's sister and his other sister, so his older sister and younger sister, and then my mum's sister, and then obviously my uncles as well. So yeah, it should be really good. Obviously because it's family, I probably won't film too much and just show you all the decorations and all the surroundings and stuff. So yeah, it should be a good night. So I just got to my parents' house. I've got to show you some of the decorations they've done already. I'll just turn George straight off because copyright and all that. Sorry, George. So as you walk in, we've got these projections. This is actually mine. There's a Halloween one and then there's Christmas ones as well, so that'll be good for Christmas. But it's actually this machine here. It can be used for outdoor, and then this would be projected onto the front of your house, but I worry that it would get stolen, so keep it inside for now. But I love that. And then my dad has built from scratch, or made this sort of Halloween scene, and we keep it in the window. Let me show you, it's so good. So this is it in the window, and then I'll just show you a bit closer. You've got skeletons and little pumpkin trees. What does that say? See you soon. And little gates and things, witch on a bike. Most of these, I love this little guy. Most of these little ornament things are from Robert's, the shop that I showed you on the way to Clearwater once. So it's from that shop there, and it's so good. He's actually made a Christmas one as well, which I'll show you at Christmas time. Look at that witch. Deadly Drive. How good's that? So he's built this one. Oh my gosh, is that Frankenstein at the back of that? That's hilarious. He's built this one, and there's also another one he's built, which I'll show you. So he's built this one too. Welcome to the boneyard. And then there's a big coffin. Speak no evil, see no evil, hear no evil. Keep out. Happy Halloween. And then there's this ghost as well. How good is that? He's so creative, my dad. You look amazing, Dad. Look at those teeth. Are you going to keep them in? Keep them in. I need some blue tack. Oh no, that'll taste horrible. I need to find I've got a witch's hat upstairs. I need to get that on, don't I? Yeah. Look the part. I know, no one else really dresses up. What do you think of these? Yeah, they're good. I love them. Yeah. Look at my dad's cufflinks. These are the wedding cufflinks. Simon's got the same ones. Yeah. Little Mickeys. Oh, it's not really focusing. Hold on. Oh, they're great, Dad. Yeah. I've just got to switch on. The inner workings of what you've made. Yeah. Did you build all that too? All the electrical? Yeah, all the electrical. Wow. Nice, the lights have come on. Oh, that's better. Oh, they've got lights on the head. On the heads. Oh, he's fallen down. Oh yeah. Oh, he needs a bit of glue on him. They're good, aren't they? So it's a boneyard? A boneyard, yeah. And then we've got the table runner, all Halloweeny and orangey. Look at these spiders.
Shall I answer it?
Yeah.
Come with me to the grave.
Did that ring without even touching it?
It's because I'm here.
I'm coming for you.
That is so good.
Yeah,
Where's that from?
It's uncensored practice, but I'll have to. Wait.
Look behind you.
Where's it from?
It's from Target, though.
Oh, is it? That is
Right,
brilliant.
it's on, but it's only if you lift it up now. I think.
I know who you are.
I brought some eyeballs and pumpkins.
They look good, don't they?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
We've got a cake here,
I hope.
and we've got some spooky crisps. And then this is where the barbecue is, but it's raining at the moment, isn't it, Dad?
I think it's stopped, love.
Has it?
Yeah, one of those worrying about it coming down here, but this doesn't look too bad.
No.
Actually.
Look at the Watch the spider. Wow, these decorations are so good.
I'll just put these lights on.
Are these beers holding down the tablecloth?
Yeah.
Strategically
It was
placed.
windy earlier on.
Oh, look at these implements. Oh my gosh.
In terms of wind.
No.
Oh yeah.
Oh, cute. Oh, I should have brought my ones.
Oh, didn't you bring them?
No.
Well, you borrowed those. I don't.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yours work though. Mine don't work. Mine are
Oh,
from
that's
the
right.
cheap shop. Wow.
Look at these. I'll have to put them off though because.
Oh, look, it's flashing.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I'll do different things, won't it?
Oh, I love it.
I need to put some candles in there.
Oh, in those ones. Are these stickers? You cheated there, Dad.
Yeah.
Aren't you meant to carve them?
Yeah.
Is that just a cheating?
Well, it's easier, love.
Yeah, that's true. There you go. If you can't carve, get some
Get
duct tape.
Duct tape. Yeah. Gorilla.
What if Dad's getting attacked by this?
So
Oh, it's that. This.
it's off this thing.
Huh?
It's a hair's falling out.
Look at him. He's scary.
Oh, it is scary.
So this is the barbecue. It's a bit wet at the moment. And then this is where we're going to be setting off fireworks tonight in these bricks. I'll show you now while it's light. Bit dangerous, but we put them in the little holes in the bricks and then the fireworks just stays there and does its thing. I'm so excited for everyone to get here.
Yeah.
Should be good, shouldn't it?
Yeah. Did you get the skull from Harry Potter?
Is it from Harry Potter? From Universal?
Yes, from Universal.
That's great. This is a bit scary,
Bit
isn't it?
gruesome, isn't it? Yeah.
And look at this mouse.
Yeah.
I love these as well, Dan. This one's hanging. Look, it's hanging around his neck. Did you do that? Or did it come like
Oh
that?
no, it comes like that. Look.
Oh,
Yeah.
spooky. I've still got all sorts of stuff that's mine that needs to come to my house.
Oh look, yeah.
This is mine.
You'll have to take them all.
This is mine. These two are mine. Look at that dumbbell. This is mine. I've just come to my bedroom, my old bedroom, to find my witch's hat. So, get ready. Oh no, it's really floppy. Let's try and get this straight. What do you think? My effort.
Oh, that looks good, love.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, that looks great.
There's a Halloween template. Look at those. Ah, I love it. I'm in charge of making these balloons up. I'm currently blowing up balloons. And Dad is, what are you doing to the balloons? Tying them.
Putting string around them.
So you're putting them all together so they all stick together.
Yeah, good. group of balloons together.
I just thought it was a bit dead. Looking over this corner, that was
Dead?
Does that look alright?
Yeah, that's good.
brilliant.
Right. That's great, isn't it?
Halloween, this is Halloween.
Have a look at this.
You look
Isn't
so
that
scary.
amazing? That's frightening. Oh.
Yours is very.
You are veal.
Look,
Yes, you are.
Jeremy.
You are veal.
That's scary, Jeremy. That's scary.
Aww.
All right. Oh, he's going to kill me. Kill me. Oh, picture.
My auntie's brought this round. Look at the size of this. This is one firework.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Night party. It's a cold night. Oh no! I lost my hat. Cold night for Barbie. Oh. Dad's a fire hazard in his cape.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sausages on the go. Forget the others go.
Oh, it's getting dark now.
How you doing? Are you okay? Have you looked around? Have you seen all the spiders?
I have.
Yeah.
I saw all the spiders. I see some there.
He's a big one, isn't he? Well, have a crisp.
All the burgers are ready. I've got a bacon cheeseburger. I'm going to put some barbecue sauce in. We've got this one and we've got Guinness barbecue sauce.
Are you?
Oh,
yeah. Yeah. You have
Yes,
it
you
on.
have.
Have another drink. Yeah.
Oh, my dad's got the fireworks. Wow.
Look at that, Claire.
Oh my gosh.
Night party, it's called.
Night party.
Night.
We couldn't find the water.
In the new doctor. No, we've got some sparklers.
This looks great.
Right. Not easy, Claire.
19 pieces, Dad. Whoa!
Goodness, where's Peter?
Whoa! That's a lot of fireworks. We're going to be here all night. I know. We're just getting the fireworks ready to put out on the little stump I showed you before. Wow!
Oh! How many out of 10? 2! 1! Okay.
What's this one called, Dad?
No, it's colourful candle. That doesn't set the tree alight.
Woo! Woo! I think it was one like that that blew towards us one time. Is that over?
Sorry, I'm ready now.
You missed 2 now.
Yeah, you missed 2, Margaret. You missed 2.
Be careful.
Safety first. Whoa! Woo! That was good. Woo! That made me jump. Is that it?
This is going to be a super one.
Woo! Whoa! Where did that go?
Everywhere we're like that.
Woo!
Red! Red!
Woo!
Red! Oh, all same colour.
Oh,
That's it.
I don't know if I can control my excitement. Oh.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh.
Isn't that nice? There's also what one called Golden Rain.
Not much height.
That's really high, that one.
Oh, yeah.
Was that an accident or was that meant to happen?
Last time it was Grandad putting the fireworks out.
Was it? Yeah, but I nearly blew up the place, didn't I?
Yeah.
Much safer for Pete. Do you remember the one that chased him out of the car? Oh, I remember that. So funny.
I think I've seen this one before.
I know, they're very similar, these ones. I think you bought a box of the same ones here, Dad. Rockets. Woo! Oh. Whoa! Missed it.
It's flying to Florida.
I don't think it goes that far. No. I know it's going to Florida.
Woo! Way! Pumpkin, this should be good.
What's this one, Seth?
This might last 3 seconds longer than all the others.
Whoa! Woo! It's lasting a long time. Whoa! That was really good. Not quite.
Stand back, Peter.
Oh, this is massive.
Okay. Make sure you get out. Oh, this is going to be a big one.
Might be this spicy one.
In fact, it's got...
Oh my gosh. That was terrifying.
That was a cracker, that, Peter.
Sparklers.
Oh, have a sparkler. You want slicey? Yes, please.
I haven't got gloves on though. Woo! Yay! Woo! I just wrote my name. Did you enjoy the fireworks?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the sparklers?
Yeah.
It was good, wasn't it? What was your favourite?
Drawing.
Drawing with the sparkler?
Yeah. I like the fireworks.
Yeah, it was good, wasn't it? It was so much fun. You saying bye?
Look at these things. Look at these things.
Listen to him.
I know who you are.
Okay.
Dad's got his Mickey's Not So Scary lanyard on.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, you got an eyeball?
look at that.
You got one.
Yeah, I've got one in my hand. Ding.
Yeah. This is me. when I had hair.
Aww.
Auntie Sadie from the Highlands.
Doesn't Chris look like Jalen Ray?
Yeah.
Chris looks the spit of Jalen Ray
Yeah,
there.
absolutely. Yeah.
So So the Halloween party has finished now. It was such a good night. All the guests have gone. I didn't film too much of the barbecuing when my family were actually here, but it's just family time, isn't it? But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing what we get up to at Halloween. Like this video if you did, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Crypt doors creak and the tombstones quake. Happy haunts materialize
And begin to vocalize.
Grin bringing ghosts come out to socialize.